Few cars scream American muscle quite like the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Escode GT, a rolling icon that fused aggressive design with raw V8 power in one of the most defining automotive decades. With its bold fastback silhouette and the rare Escode designation, this Mustang stood out, not just for its looks, but for what lay beneath the hood. At its core was a 390 cubic inch, 6.4-liter FAV8 engine, churning out an impressive 300 horsepower and 427 pounds-ft of torque. That kind of brute force made it a serious contender on the street and the strip, particularly when paired with the optional 4-speed manual transmission and suspension that came with the GT package. The Escode Mustang was not just about going fast in a straight line, also brought upgraded handling and braking, ensuring it could carve through corners with more finesse than many of its peers. Visually, the 68 Fastback GT with the Escode setup was a commanding presence. Dual exhausts, GT badging, optional fog lights in the grille, and styled steel wheels gave it a purposeful stance. Inside, the cabin was tailored for performance-minded drivers, featuring a wood-trimmed dash, sporty bucket seats, and optional extras like a tachometer and clock integrated into the center console. Compared to the base Mustangs or even the 289 V8 variants, the Escode 390G felt like a completely different animal, stronger, and more thrilling ride experience. In terms of competition, this Mustang took on heavyweights like the Pontiac GTO, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Charger RTE, while the GTO was larger and arguably more luxurious, and the Camaro SS boasted sharper handling. The Escode Mustang balanced performance and presence in a way that few others could match. Its fame was only amplified by Hollywood appearances, especially when Steve McQueen piloted a similar 68 Mustang Fastback through the legendary chase scenes of Bullitt, forever etching this model into car culture. Historically, the 1968 Escode GT represents a turning point for the Mustang. It marked Ford's deeper commitment to muscle car enthusiasts who craved serious horsepower without stepping into Shelby territory. Today, surviving Escode GTS are highly prized by collectors and cherished for their rarity, performance, and timeless appeal. Looking toward the future, this Mustang serves as a blueprint for modern retro performance vehicles, inspiring both builders and automakers alike to blend classic styling with cutting-edge tech. In a world chasing electric evolution, the spirit of the Escode GT reminds us that emotion, sound, and soul still matter behind the wheel.